It's time for an ADC update. I did say in the last video I was going to start doing them weekly instead of monthly, so get cracking with the knacking. Start off with a new knife. This one's by Rosecraft Blades, and it's the Briar Patch Jack. Haven't carried it yet. Two blades. It's got a genuine bone handle, stainless steel bolsters, steel back springs, D2 blades. Got a clip point right here. Slip joint. And you got a Wharncliffe. So that's my new knife. Going to make a pocket slip for it. Got some leather. It's not the best quality. Try and get it out. It's thin, about 1.5 mil thick, but it's real leather, so just going to make a little pocket slip for it. But that is my new knife. First knife I've bought in a few years. So that's that. So watches. Still got the Seconda Diver's watch. This is just a little general ADC when I'm not working. Then there's a work watch. Casio GA. Forgot what it is now. 1100. Gravity Master. Keys. Nothing's changed with those. Still got the new Uncle Bill Silver grippers. The NW20. The Leatherman Squirt PS4. And the i3E EOS. Still awesome. No problems with anything on there yet. Still got it on tether so I don't lose it. Got a flashlight. Nightcore HC33. Bandana. Snow Peak. Heavy duty. Made in Japan. Awesome bandana. Got a Zippo lighter. Made in 2004. Camera wants to focus. My God, I hate this thing. Got the original insert. Going to be replacing this with a table flame. Multi-tool. Gerber MP600. Phone is still the Huawei P Smart or whatever it's called. And I've still got the Sony earbuds. They're awesome. And the wallet. Still the Dango. Don't have the problem of it sliding anymore out, but that's because it's that jammed up with gunk, dirt and stuff that's getting in the pocket. And just pocket lint. So I gotta take that out every now and then and wipe it down. A little bit annoying, but yeah. It's been good. Not my favourite wallet. I still like the Travaxes. These three have been my favourite. Do like the original 2.0. Really like the Contour. It took a long time for us to start to like it, but I do really like this now, and my favourite has been the Element. It's been the best so far, but I'll stick with the Dango for now. It's okay, does what I need it to. A little bit annoying though. I've also had issues putting the cards in. I've got 3 cards in, and obviously it's a 4 card holder. Sometimes it's a bit of a pain trying to get the 4th card back in after I've used it. Oh, it just doesn't seem to want to go back in, but it's okay. It's not my favourite. It's not the best I've ever used. I'll continue using it though. It might grow on us again like the Contour did. You never know. So I got a pen. It's a Fisher Bullet pen. So that's it for my on-body carry. I'll get into the bags now. So the work bag is the Czechoslovakian M60. Nothing's changed with that since the last time, so I won't bother getting into it. So I've got a camera bag for my street photography, which is a Low Pro. So Tracker HP 120. And inside that bag I have a Fed 2, which is Soviet Russian 35mm camera. I think they were started in the 1940s with this model, I think. Mine's made in 1958. I always have it paired with a digital camera compact, which is a Sony HX60V, which I'm going to have to start filming on because this camera is absolutely crap for focusing. Because I started a street photography YouTube channel, I've also got the new GoPro Hero 12. And when I'm not carrying the Fed 2, I'm carrying a main digital camera. which is usually a Sony A7. And I've just started using Panasonic Lumix GX80 or 85. Depending on if you live in America or the UK, it's the same camera. But it's called 85 or 80 depending on what country you're in. I always use vintage lenses. And I've got adapters so I can put it on that camera if I want to. And that's my camera bag. And that is my EDC for this week. Thanks for watching.